everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute gnomes. I hope you can make them. If you do, please post pictures. I'd love to see them. These are the materials we're going to be needing. I'm listing them also in the description box with more details. The first thing I'm doing here, I'm going to do her hair, and I'm going to make braids to attach to the head later. I am using the mop. I cut 4 pieces. And now I'm going to start untangling the threads because I want the threads to resemble hair, and hair is thinner, so I'm going to do that with all the threads. And then after, I'm going to start making the braid. After I finish untangling all of them, I'm going to start making the braid. And when I reached at the other end, I'm going to secure it with the cotton twine and save the braid for later. Now I cut the gray sock for the arms, already cut the top part of the sock. Now I'm cutting this piece in half and I'm going to save it for later. The white sock's gonna be for the body. The white sock's not gonna show. What's gonna show is this cute one, and I'm going to cut it in half like this. Now I'm going to start filling the white sock with rice, about 2 cups of rice. Using my funnel to push it down, and then I'm going to use a rubber band to secure it on the top. And I'm going to also use the cotton twine and a little bit of glue. And I'm gluing everything on the top to secure it better. Now I'm going to start dressing my gnome. And doing the same thing, I'm going to use a rubber band and then also a twine to secure it better. Always using a little bit of glue to make sure that's not going to untangle. Using more hot glue also on the top. Now let me show you how I'm going to prepare the arms. What I do is I fold it in half and I glue it along the sides, and I also glue one of the ends. Using my finger protector so I don't get burned. Now it's ready to flip it inside out, and I'm using this dowel to push it up. You can also use a pen. Now my arms are ready. I'm going to use this little heart shape to resemble the hand. If you don't have this foam heart shape, you can also use cardstock. Now I'm putting the hat on. I want to make sure that the hearts are facing the same way, looking up. I'm going to use the hot glue also to secure it all around. I added the base that's going to be acting as her shoes. So cute. And the nose, putting enough hot glue. And I'm going to start working on her hair. And I end up cutting it in half because it was too long. So I'm securing both ends also with the twine. And now I'm going to use hot glue to glue the hair also. She looks so cute. And the last thing I'm adding to her body is the arms. I'm adding these two little bows on both braids. But first I'm going to trim the twine on both sides. And for the last part, I need to fix her hat. Fixing the top. I want her hat to look saggy, so I'm making sure that I show the folds. And for the folds to stay, I'm going to use a little bit of glue on both sides. Now I'm going to close the top using the twine, and also to make it look pretty, I'm going to use the pom pom trim on the top. And that's it. Girl number 2, I made a different design using a different sock design, another base, different hairstyle, and a different hat. Let me show you how I did her hat. I first cut the template using cardstock, and then I glue it to the fabric. After I finish gluing the fabric to the cardstock, I close the cone to make the hat shape. Now let me show you how I do the hair. I grab the yarn and I loop it in my fingers about 20 times, and then I cut it. I get a piece of yarn. I tie it to one of the ends and also to the other end. And then I cut it twice to get two of the same. I also added a couple of bows on top. And did the arms also using the same technique as the other one. I also added a couple of hearts on top of the hat. Now I'm adding the base on the bottom and everything else together. I think this one came out so cute. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe to the channel as I'm always uploading new tutorials each week. Until next time, goodbye.